So, this is the predicament I'm in. I'm by myself in the Osceola National Forest on a trail about 5 miles off of any main road, and I got myself stuck in a hole that I didn't see. But that's why I have a winch. So let's see if my 12,000 pound Harbor Freight winch will do the trick. And I'm not stuck anymore. I'm still in the junk, but I'm not stuck anymore. So I'm going to wrap my winch cable around my bull bar and keep it handy in case this happens again, but I'm just getting out of here at this point. So I almost got stuck again in the bigger hole, so I'm going to double back, but for now I am making my own trail because there's so many holes in that trail, mainly from people playing, but you know, I should have suspected that when I saw this trail. So this is about where I was stuck, right over here on the left. So I really want to dodge that, or at least get some tires in the middle. So I'm gonna turn this off right now so I can focus on that. Thankfully, the lowest point out here in these woods is the trail. So most of the water drains into there. Once I get back to an area where I didn't have any trouble, I'm going to just get back on the trail. But for now, I'm making my own trail. But again, out here by myself, nobody here to help me, and my 12,000 pound winch, my Badlands winch from Harbor Freight, did the trick, and I got myself unstuck, so that's good. Oh yeah, I forgot about this stupid place here. Let's see, what am I gonna do? Making my own trail again. Nope, let's not get stuck, Nathan. Oh, is that what's going on? Ha! And I'm out. So, that was fun. I got myself stuck, was in some mud, sitting on the frame for about an hour in total before I got myself unstuck. But I was able to do it by myself because of two things. I had recovery gear, and I knew how to use it. So that's key. There were some people that I could have called, maybe some Instagram buddies I could have tagged to ask to come pull me out. They may even have been out in the Osceola Forest today, but I didn't want to do that. I wanted to pull myself out and be self-sufficient, because that's kind of the whole point of having this stuff. If you got to call somebody to help you, what's the point, you know? So that's what I did. I'm good, I'm nasty. I was in mud up to my groin in only a bathing suit and flip-flops. So got that going for me. I smell like nasty old mud. Something pricked my foot, or else a water moccasin bit me. Right now, I'm not sure which one that is, but I'm pretty sure I'll figure it out soon. So I'm good. I'm on the way back home. I'm gonna start the grill and take a shower. Have a good day.